Hello dear students. Children, in this video we will learn how to start the MS Paint program and the different tools present in the MS Paint program for drawing, coloring and painting. So children, let's start. Children, for starting the MS Paint program, first we have to turn on our computer. So we have already turned on our computer. Now the first step is to click on the start button. Children, I hope you all can see the mouse pointer here. Now to the left hand side bottom corner we have the start button. So this is the start button, children. Now first step is click on the start button and then the start menu will appear. Here in the start menu, children, in our book the second step is given, click on all programs option, but here we do not have any all program option, so we will click on the accessories. Here we have no accessories, we have Windows accessories. So our first step was to, let's see again. Our first step was to click on the start button. We are clicking on it. Then we will look for the Windows accessory. Look for the Windows accessories. W for Windows accessories. So here we have our Windows accessory option. Here children, this is Windows accessories. We will click on this drop down arrow and here we will get the option of paint. Once we got this paint option, we will click on it and the paint program will appear in front of us. So this is our paint program, children. This is our paint program. Now, as we draw on a sheet of paper, in the same way in computer we will draw or color or paint in this MS Paint program. And as we use different tools for drawing such as pencil, eraser, ruler, colors, all these tools are present in the MS Paint also. So let's now talk about some of the tools. Children, in the MS Paint program, we have a toolbox and a color box. Children, from here to here, size option, this is called the toolbox. It has several tools used for drawing, coloring and painting. Next comes our color box. From this color one option till edit with paint 3D, we have the color box. From here we can choose the different colors which we need for our drawing or painting. Now let us learn about these tools one by one. Children, first tool, this is a selection tool. This helps us to select a part of the picture or drawing which we have drawn. Similarly, here also we have several other options, resizing the picture, rotating the picture. Now coming to these basic tools. Children, the first one, look at this. This is a pencil tool. It helps us to draw. Next is your eraser tool. It helps us to erase some part of the picture which we have drawn. Third one is fill with color. This tool helps us to fill a particular part of the drawing with a particular color. Fourth one is a color picker. With the help of this tool, we pick a color from the drawing which we have already colored. जब भी एक पिक्चर या ड्राइंग को हम कलर करके रखते हैं, उसमें से कलर लेने का काम ये कलर पिकर करता है. Next is the text tool. It helps us to insert text into the picture. जब भी हम कोई पिक्चर या ड्राइंग बनाते हैं उसमें अगर हमें कुछ लिखना होता है तो हम उसे टेक्स्ट टूल की मदद से लिखते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द मैग्नीफायर. इट चेंजेस द मैग्निफिकेशन. It helps us to magnify some of the part of the drawing. Next is your brush tool. Children, here in this tool we get several brushes for painting. Then comes the shapes. We have several shapes here: line tool, oval tool, rectangle tool, triangle tool, so many. Once we have selected these shapes, this is outline. This is shape outline. This tool helps us to color the outline of the shape which we have selected. Next is shape fill tool. This helps us to fill the shape with some color. Next comes size. This tool helps us to select the width of the pencil or eraser or the brush. Next comes the color box, children. The color box. From these color box, we can choose the color whichever we want. Here are some colors, and if we go to this edit color option, we get some standard colors, like we get some combination colors. Here also we have some colors, and here also we have some combination colors. So we can select any of the color which we want. So these are the basic tools which we use in our MS Paint program. Thank you for watching.